This presentation is about firearm safety. The Tennessee General Assembly passed a law that Tennessee students K through 12 will be given age-appropriate firearm safety instruction every year. Learning goals. Define the terms safety, responsibility, firearm, gun. Describe the differences and similarities between toy guns, air guns, and BB guns, real guns. List the firearm safety rules in order. Show that you take guns seriously and follow the safety rules at all times. What is gun safety? Gun safety means using and being around guns in a way that keeps everyone safe. It's about knowing the rules that help prevent accidents and injuries. Gun safety means never touching a gun unless a trusted adult says it's okay and is there with you. Treating all guns as if they are loaded, even if someone says they're not. Staying away from guns if you find one and telling an adult right away. Understanding that guns are not toys and should never be played with. Safety first. Think before you act. What is gun responsibility? Never playing with a gun or pretending one is a toy. Telling an adult right away if you see a gun or if someone else has one. Respecting safety rules. Understanding that being responsible means helping keep yourself and others safe. Being responsible with guns means thinking before you act and always choosing safety first. What is a firearm? A firearm is a gun. A gun shoots out metal bullets. Quiz time. Is a firearm and a gun the same thing? Yes. Gun identification. Toy guns. They're made for play. Colorful, made of plastic, make sounds and light up. Bang. Pop. Still not safe to point at people. Even toy guns can be dangerous. It might be real even if it looks like a toy. Air guns and BB guns. Air guns, including pellet guns, typically use more powerful and accurate pellets for target shooting and hunting. In contrast, BB guns utilize smaller, less powerful BBs, often intended for recreational shooting or target practice. Real guns, not toys. Do not play with real guns. Only grown-ups should handle them. Important. Any gun could be real, regardless of the size, the color, shape, or anything else. Any gun has the potential to injure someone seriously or even kill. No guns at school. Leave all guns and toy guns at home. Store guns safely. Real guns should be stored securely and locked away. If you find one or see one anywhere, even in your home, a friend's home, or at school, follow the safety rules. Quiz time. Where do you leave all guns? At home, locked up for safety. Safe storage of guns. Safe gun storage. Store guns in a locked safe. Safe gun storage keeps everyone safe. Here's an example of unsafe gun storage. Gun parts. Here are the main parts to a gun: the barrel, the muzzle, and the trigger. Never touch the trigger. The barrel. The bullet moves down the barrel. The muzzle. Never point the muzzle at anyone. Quiz time. Where should the muzzle be pointed? Never at a person, and always in a safe direction. Gun safety rules. Number 1, stop what you are doing. Number 2, don't touch. Number 3, leave the area. And number 4, tell an adult. What do you do? Follow your gun safety rules. Stop what you're doing, don't touch, leave the area, and tell an adult right away.